AI-powered personal development, master your time, focus, and resilience effortlessly. Introduction. Ready to elevate your personal growth? AI technology is revolutionizing self-improvement by acting as a personalized coach tailored to your habits, goals, and challenges. Why it's important. AI makes personalizing your self-improvement journey easier than ever. It offers customized strategies for habit formation, automates progress tracking, and sends reminders tailored to your needs. This approach boosts productivity, cultivates a success mindset, and enhances resilience. Main insights. 1. Tailored habit formation. AI analyzes your behavior to suggest personalized daily habits that align with your goals, helping you create a morning routine that fosters focus and discipline. 2. Automated progress tracking. AI tools allow real-time progress monitoring, keeping you accountable and providing insights into your productivity patterns. 3. Smart reminders and motivation. AI sends timely reminders and motivational quotes tailored to your growth objectives, integrating positive affirmations into your routine to build resilience. Practical steps. 1. Identify your goals. Clearly define what you want to achieve, whether it's improving time management or building mental toughness. 2. Choose the right AI tools. Select AI-powered apps like Todoist, Notion, or Habitica for personalized habit tracking and suggestions. 3. Set up automated reminders. Configure your app to send daily reminders and motivational messages to keep you focused and combat procrastination. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. Balance is crucial. Don't neglect self-reflection and human interaction. Neglecting emotional intelligence. Avoid emotional burnout by integrating self-care and mindfulness into your routine. Inconsistent commitment. Consistency is key. Commit daily to your personal development plan for substantial results. Conclusion. Are you ready to harness AI for your personal transformation? Start today by setting your goals and choosing the right tools. Your journey to becoming your best self is just a click away. Call to action. Subscribe for more insights on mastering focus, building resilience, and embracing a growth mindset through AI. This script offers a concise guide to integrating AI into personal development, emphasizing actionable steps and pitfalls to avoid. Transform your habits. Using AI tools for a success mindset and daily motivation. Introduction. Are traditional self-improvement methods leaving you frustrated? Imagine having a personal coach available 247 to guide your transformation. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your personal growth and daily motivation, why it's important as AI technology advances. More people seek smarter, personalized ways to enhance their self-improvement efforts. AI tools can tailor habit formation strategies, automate progress tracking, and send customized reminders, making personal growth both accessible and efficient. Main insights. 1. Personalized habit formation. AI analyzes your behavior patterns to recommend specific habits to adopt or eliminate. For example, Habitica gamifies goal setting, turning tasks into engaging challenges. 2. Automated tracking and feedback. Tools like Coach.me provide real-time feedback, keeping you accountable and fostering a sense of achievement essential for a success mindset. 3. Customized reminders and motivation. AI can deliver personalized motivational quotes and reminders. Todoist not only manages your tasks but also prioritizes your day using AI, ensuring you stay focused. Practical steps. 1. Identify your goals. Define clear, measurable goals. Use AI tools like Google Keep or Notion to outline your aspirations and break them into actionable steps. 2. Choose the right AI tools. explore applications like Habitica for gamified habit tracking, Coach.me for personalized coaching, Todoist for effective task management. Point 3. Set up reminders. Utilize reminder features in these apps to maintain motivation. Schedule daily affirmations or motivational quotes to appear on your screen. Common mistakes or cautions: over-reliance on AI. While AI provides valuable insights, personal discipline is crucial for success. Setting unrealistic goals. Ensure your goals are attainable to avoid frustration and burnout. Ignoring mental health. AI tools are powerful but cannot replace human support. Prioritize your mental health and seek professional help when needed. Conclusion: using AI tools to transform your habits opens new possibilities for personal growth and daily motivation. By integrating these technologies into your routine, you can build resilience, sharpen focus, and become your best self. Start your journey today by exploring AI tools that resonate with you. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on self-improvement and personal growth. Source list: Habitica, Habitica.com, Coach.me, Coach.me, Todoist, Todoist.com. Unlock your potential. How AI can supercharge your personal growth journey. Introduction: ready to elevate your personal growth. Imagine having a personal coach available 247 customized strategies at your fingertips, and a success roadmap that evolves with you. Today, we explore how AI can revolutionize your self-improvement journey. Why it's important in our fast-paced world. Self-improvement is essential. Many struggle with time management and motivation, but AI personalizes your growth journey, making it efficient and accessible. With AI, you receive tailored advice, automated tracking, and reminders that align with your goals. Main insights: 1. Personalized habit formation. AI analyzes your behaviors to create customized habit-forming strategies. If you procrastinate, it suggests actions based on your productivity patterns, fostering a growth mindset. Point 2. Automated progress tracking. Imagine an AI tool that tracks your progress automatically. With daily check-ins and visual achievement representations, you stay motivated and focused, as studies show visual cues